Hello everyone, welcome to Make Gaming Easy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to clear Candy Crush Saga cache. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Settings application. Now scroll down your screen and go to Apps option. Go to Manage Apps. Here in the search bar, type in Candy Crush. Click on Storage option. Here tap on the eraser icon that says Clear Data. Now tap on Clear Cache option. And if you're sure, click on the OK button. So that is how you can clear Candy Crush Saga cache. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.